yummy, yummy milk.
No, Mama, I will not have milk. Please give me some pizza, or what if you give me some Maggie?
Maggie? Pizza? No, no way. No junk foods. Eat healthy foods. In this corona time, you should drink milk twice, eat green vegetables, eat more and more of fruits and stay healthy to fight against corona. So please drink this milk fast.
We should drink milk daily.
अरे सीमा, कितना पानी यूज करेगी बर्तन धोने में? तुझे पता है ना पानी कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है? वाटर इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर अस। और आजकल तो हम वैसे भी कितना पानी यूज कर रहे हैं बार बार हाथ धोने में, है ना? तो हमें तो पानी की बचत करनी चाहिए, है ना? वी शुड ऑलवेज सेव वाटर। यस यस।
Oh God, what are you doing, Pooja? Aren't you knowing that we have to cover our face with a handkerchief when we sneeze or when we cough? You know, in this pandemic, we have to be very careful. So make sure you cover your mouth with a handkerchief and immediately sanitize your hands once your hands are off your mouth. If you are having cold, you should not let it spread to others. Be very conscious about it, dear, and this is very good manner. You should always carry a handkerchief with you wherever you go, or you must have a hand towel nearby you in your room. Okay?
La la la, la 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 la. I am washing my hands in my room. The tap is on. And water gushing out, gushing out, gushing out.
Oh God, what are you doing? I know we have to wash our hands, but in this way? No. Water is a very basic need of our life. So please don't waste water. Preserve water. Wet your hands with water. And then apply soap on your hands. Apply the soap nicely and then switch on the tap. Wash your hands properly. Please do not let the tap go on unnecessary as it will lead to the wastage of water. So let us make sure we save water for the future.
Oh, Mama, it's still 10 a.m. Please, I need to sleep. Please.
No, wake up. It's 10:30, and even if the schools are not on, you should maintain your routine and follow it diligently. Go and brush your teeth.
Brushing. Okay, give me 5 minutes. Let me check my phone.
No, go and brush your teeth. Brushing your teeth makes your teeth healthy and cavity free. मोटे मोटे कैविटीज जो पूरे नाइट आपके माउथ में होते हैं वो सब आपके टमी में चले जाएंगे अगर आप ब्रश नहीं करोगे तो. So the first thing we should do in the morning is brushing our teeth.
We should brush our teeth daily.
I know, in the corona time, you cannot go in the playground, you cannot visit malls, you cannot go to cinema halls. But what if
No, Mama, I'm getting bored. I want
You please enjoy nature. Stand in your balcony and enjoy fresh air in the morning. Play on your terrace. See the stars twinkling in the sky. Enjoy the sunset in the evening. Plant some saplings in your balcony. Why not do some gardening activity? It's a very beautiful activity. I'm sure you will enjoy. Do some exercise in the morning. This will make you healthy and fit. You can also play indoor games with your dadu and dadi like ludo, carom, etc.
ओके मम्मा, बाय। मैं दादू के साथ खेलने जा रहा हूँ।
Yes! Mama, please one last game. Please.
Oh my god! How many games will you play, Sia? How many games, bache?
And once again, I appear to be mistaken. Huh. Well, I guess you can never.
Oh god! Again another cartoon movie? Please beta, reduce your screen time. कितना टीवी देखोगे? कितना आईपैड यूज करोगे? फोन को हटाओ यहाँ से। बेटा, your eyes are very important. And you know, जितना आप ये सब देखोगे, उतना आपकी eyes पे effect होगा. Your eyes will become weak. Water will come out of your eyes. So please, only in the whole day, not more than 40 minutes of screen time. Thumbs up if you agree with me.